share the link to this to everybody in the class. So this is your own virtual world that you're gonna be accessing. You can use it in your Oculus. You can use it in the computer like I'm doing it right now. And so the first one we have here, Adeline, you need to go enter through another Zoom. Oh, she froze. We can see that we've got Braden's land or section.
How do we get in? How do we get in?
I'll send you guys the link. But I'm gonna explain how it works first. So you guys can use it like this with your computer, or you can use it with your Oculus. I sent a tutorial to the chat that you guys can see, but basically you use this same on your browser on Oculus, and you go on this mode, view in VR, and then you can walk around here. So the first one we have is Braden, who was who sent me the picture last week. I just got Adeline, so I'm gonna add Adeline. I gotta grab my mouse because the mouse pad is not very fast at this. Okay. So, if you go in here, you can see Braden's world. And if you go inside his house, you're gonna see the hanging of his first picture that he sent me. So this is gonna be the same for every one of you. You're gonna have a world where you can expand. So as you can grow here your own farm if you want, or we're gonna see what items I have to offer you.
Yeah, like the diamond or the diamond sword.
So we're gonna see how this whole system works, because you have to accumulate points so that you can accumulate models and you can start decorating your world. Okay. Is everybody clear on how this works? You guys are pretty tech savvy, so you know how to use Oculus and all of this.
Yeah. Can you actually help me put this off?
Huh?
Nothing.
Okay. So if we go in there, you can see Braden's painting or Braden's wall art, and you can see all this bacteria that he possibly found.
Wait, I have a question.
Tell me.
Wait. I forgot. Wait, how do we get into the world exactly?
Yeah, I'm gonna send you guys the link to the chat, to your parents' chat once we finish the class. Because we still have to learn how this whole thing works. So I don't want to spend time going through all, using the link. You guys can play with it after the class. We're gonna see how this works. So, whoops. So you're gonna be part of this land, and you're gonna have this is a gamified learning experience.
I want that. That's cool.
This is gonna be your special world, so you can earn points by doing awesome things, collect cool stuff for your world, decorate however you want, and show your friends what you made. So this link you're gonna be able to share it with anybody, so anybody can see all the experiments you've made, all the things that you've discovered. They can go into your room and see all the wall art like the one that Braden has. Any questions there? So how to earn points? We're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things, 5 ways you can earn points. So if you read slides aloud, you're gonna earn 1 point. Okay? This is 1 point per slide. Right? Then if you write observations on your scientist journal and send a picture of it, so it's 2 steps in 1, you get 5 points. So everybody's gonna have a notepad where you guys are gonna write observations of the stuff that we study under a microscope. And you have to send me a picture of that observation, because I'm also gonna put it on your as wall art in your world, and you're gonna get 5 points. If I don't get a picture, I can't give you the 5 points because there's no proof of the observation on your journal. Okay, If you comment on a friend's room, meaning if you use the link, if you explore their world, you get 3 points if you leave a comment. So the comment is for me to know that you are using the link, basically. So then you have, if you share your project's weekly photo, you get 5 points. So whenever we do an experiment, whenever we do a petri dish, now the new project that we're gonna start, if you send me a picture of it every week, you get 5 points per picture. And then I have here, if you lead a 1-minute demo, you get 10 points. So after a certain time of you writing down on your journal and doing observations, you're gonna learn a lot, because we're gonna start getting into learning about ecosystems. So once you create your own ecosystem, you're gonna learn about different organisms. So if you can give a demo or basically a presentation about what you've learned, then you get 10 points. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay. You guys are gonna have this slide so that you guys know and remember how many points you get. All right. Next one. These are all the items that are available so far. This list is gonna expand as we play, but for now we have easy rewards. These are if you accumulate 5 to 10 points, then you can either get grass or trees or veggies for like making your own farm or putting a tree in your land. Any questions here so far?
No.
Clear? Okay. Next one. These ones are cool rewards. You have to accumulate between 15 and 25 points. So you can get a brain lamp that you can use to decorate your room. You can get a science van that you can park outside your house. You can use a test, like you can get test tubes to decorate your room and make your own lab if you want a lab. Then these are the epic rewards. These are require more points. So 30 to 40 points. You can get a DNA helix so that you can decorate. And you can get a pet. So either a dog, a cat, a robot, a microbe, whatever you want.
I love the dog and the cat.
You don't want a dog? Okay.
I love both of them.
So suggestions on this list are more than welcomed. If anybody has ideas of things that they would like to use in the world, then you guys tell me, and then I'll assign points to it. Okay?
It's fine. I'm a professional at Minecraft.
Awesome. So that means that you're gonna be a good player at this, right?
Yeah, I'm really
You have
good
to
at
participate a lot. Any questions so far?
No.
Everything clear?
Yes.
Adeline.
Oh,
you have
and
a
then
question?
guys,
I wish they had like. I wish they did have like the shark on their picture.
Okay. So you have to accumulate 40 points to get that shark.
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's see this next slide. So every month you're gonna decide what you want to do with your points. The decision is up to you. So you check how many points you have every month, and you get a reward with your. You decide whether you want to use your rewards right now, when we review the points, or you decide if you want to keep them and save them for something bigger and better, or you can mix and match, meaning you can use some points now and you can accumulate others for later, or you can start fresh and earn again like next month. Okay, any questions so far?
No. No.
Okay, so everybody has their petri dishes from our mouth, like from the one that we did last week. He grew some. This is mold. This is not from my mouse. Brayden, you grew stuff. Cool. Awesome. So let's see what we find. Because I did have some bacteria in my mouse that I can see here that grew. Like that one right there.
Oh my goodness, that was a zombie.
That blob there is some bacteria that was in my mouse.
yeah, that was bacteria that was in your mouth.
Yep.
Ew.
I
That
hadn't
was
brushed.
chunky.
I hadn't brushed my teeth on purpose so that I could get something to grow in the petri dish. So I see there's like a darker part inside it. Now I don't know what this bacteria is, so we have to investigate to see what bacteria I had in my mouth.
Okay, there you go.
Okay. So I find another one here. I'm gonna take a picture of it because I see that black thing there. And then there's one that looks like an egg. Look at this one, it looks like an egg.
And what?
An egg on a pan.
Yeah, it actually does.
Mm-hmm.
Don't touch it with your.
So I'm gonna take a picture. Alright, let's see. We got drum rolls. Let's see what you guys painted. There you go. A guy making a painting. An artist at his easel. John Singer Sargent. Rigo, Eagle Eye, Wolf Dragon, Sharp Detective. This is what I found. There you go. That blob.
Oh, there's that. Ew.
You, I know. But see, that's why we have to brush our teeth, because that stuff grows in your mouth if you don't brush your teeth.
Yeah, that is
So
disgusting.
everybody to brush their teeth. I'll see you guys. Huh? What was that, Brayden?
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
Do you have to water this?
So I'm gonna teach you how to, but yeah, you're gonna need a spray bottle eventually, not yet. But you're not gonna have to water it every day. It's not like a plant. We're just gonna have to keep moisture in there so that organisms grow. But next week we're gonna start just with soil. Yep. So you guys take care. Adeline has her mason jar. Awesome. You can make a really cute terrarium. Okay, you guys take care. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Okay, next week. Bye.
Bye.